home base aircon unit dismantled. So the evaporator, indoor fan, there's a condenser underneath, there's a compressor, quite a dirty condenser coil which I can't clean out very well because of all these pipes in the way really. This is the big condenser fan. There's the capacitor for the compressor, a relay, I'm not quite sure what that's for. I think that's for this main exhaust fan. There's the electronics, the control boards at the top. Whatever you do, you've got these options. Free fan speeds, cooling, dehumidifier, fan only. Dehumidifier is just cooling but with low fan speed and it ignores the temperature. And yeah, I'm not quite sure how the timer works, but that's on there. It's probably like, you can set up to 8 hours sort of thing. So, turn the power on. Beep. We'll run it without the compressor on. Fan speeds. There's a bit of PWM on the lights and that's why they're flickering a bit. That's the indoor temperature at the moment. Obviously you can't set that in fan only mode. But yeah, just so it's running. I just re-oiled the fan motor because it's screaming. There's a bushing here that holds it on that you have to oil. And on the other side I put a drop of oil on the motor shaft. And yeah, this is the shroud that directs this air which is actually blowing up at the moment. So it comes out front and pulls air through the air evaporator. Got that right. And likewise I'm not running it right now because it'd warm up the room because it's just sending air straight out the back for the hot air. And this isn't properly like shrouded by the rear panel of the aircon unit. Yeah, it's just a bit of a tour of what's inside an air conditioning unit. You've got all your refrigerant stuff here. There's videos that go into detail on how that works. You've got a water pump that pushes the water like condensed out of the room. It goes down from the evaporator onto the condenser which helps it cool, makes it a bit more efficient, and the wastewater collects at the bottom. This little electric pump pushes it to the back where it goes out through a sump pump before it collects it to here. There's a trip switch there. If it fills up with water, that's what that's for. And that's about it. There's the exhaust fan in there, which isn't running at the moment, obviously, because we're in fan only mode. There's your indoor temperature sensor that monitors the air of incoming, monitors the incoming air. But yeah, that's about it. I'll just fix this up. It still could do with a bit of a dust. Might try another go with the Hoover. Always clean this way, don't scrub it that way because then you'll damage the coils. There's already a bit of coil damage on this. But yeah, it's home base aircon unit.